Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about medical tourism in India. This is an important topic in our UGC NET examination. Okay, India's medical tourism, the size of market is more or less $9 billion. Annual tourist 7 lakh, more than 7 lakhs, and Asia rank second in Asia. Okay, second position in Asia in medical tourism. Okay, what is medical tourism? Medical tourism refers to the practice of traveling across international or inter-regional boundaries to seek medical, surgical, dental, or other healthcare services. It combines healthcare with travel, often motivated by cost advantages, quality of treatment, shorter waiting times, and or specialized procedures unavailable at home. Tourist aspect, plane travel, visa and logistic, combine recovery with leisure, return journey, care. Medical aspect, curative treatment, preventive care, elective procedures, and cosmetic surgery. Economic aspect, foreign exchange earnings, healthcare exports, employment generation, and infrastructure growth. These are three aspects of medical tourism in India. Now, India's position in global medical tourism. Okay, global ranked third. Market size $9 billion expected by 2026. 7 lakh, more than 7 lakh population visitors per year. Foreign medical tourists, 60 to 80% cost savings versus US and UK prices. Okay, cost comparison: heart bypass surgery USA US dollar 1,30,000. United Kingdom US dollar 30,000. Thailand US dollar 18,000, and India US dollar 7,000. Key competitive advantage: English speaking doctors and staff, JSC and NABS credited hospitals, state of the art technology, holistic healing, Ayurveda yoga, diverse treatment availability, rich tourism and heritage sites. Okay, factors attracting medical tourists in India. Cost advantage: 60 to 80% cheaper than Western nations, affordable world-class surgeries, low cost of living reduces stay cost. World-class facilities: JSCI and NABS credited hospitals, Apollo, Fortis, Medanta, Narayana, latest diagnostic technologies. Skilled manpower, highly qualified specialists, English-speaking professionals trained in USA, UK, and Europe. Connectivity: direct flights from 100 plus countries, good internet transport network, visa on arrival for many nations. Traditional healing: Ayurveda yoga, naturopathy, UNESCO recognized practices, unique holistic approach, Ayush, and gov support. Medical visa, M-visa policy, Heal in India program, and tax incentives for hospitals. Okay, these are main factors attracting medical tourists in India to India. Now, there are some geographical distribution of medical tourism hubs. North India: New Delhi, AIIMS, Apollo, Max, Fortis, Gurugram, Medanta, Artemis, Chandigarh, PGI, Jaipur, Sawai Man Singh. Specialty: cardiology, orthopedics, and oncology. South India: Chennai, Apollo, AMIOT, Fortis, Bengaluru, Narayana, Rudalaya, Hyderabad, Yasudha, Care, and Tiruvananthapuram, KIMS. Specialty: cardiac, eye, fertility, and neurology. West India: Mumbai, Lilavati, KEM, Hinduja, Pune, Rabi Hall, Jahangir, Ahmedabad, Sterling, Apollo, Surat, BAPS, Pramukh, Sami. Specialty: liver transplant, oncology, bariatric. East India: Kolkata, Amri, Fortis, Apollo, Gleneagles, Bhubaneswar, AIIMS, Sam Hospital, Patna, IGIMS, Paras, Guwahati GNRC, Excel Care. Specialty: super specialty, bone marrow, and renal. Okay, popular treatments and source countries. Most sought after treatments: cardiac surgery, orthopedic surgery, organ transplant, fertility treatment, cancer treatment, cosmetic surgery, dental treatment, and Ayush wellness. Source countries: Bangladesh, cardiac and ortho; USA, high cost avoidance; Afghanistan, neurology and surgery; UK, waiting list avoidance; Nigeria, cardiac, oncology; Kenya, general surgery; Oman, organ transplant; and Iraq, neurology. Economic significance of medical tourism. Okay, market size growth: $10 billion from 2025 to 2026. Okay, in 2025, $3 billion, and in during 2026 $13 billion. Major earner foreign exchange, second largest service export, 5 million plus jobs employment, direct and indirect combined, 22% CAGR, hospital growth, 3.5% of GDP contribution. Okay, health in India initiative launched by Ministry of Tourism aims to position India as a global health and wellness hub. Includes medical visa, fast tracking, online portals, and hospital tie-ups. Targets $13 billion by 2026 and 3 lakh new beds across India. Okay, there are some challenges and concerns in medical tourism also in India. Quality and regulation, no uniform national accreditation standard, varying quality between government and private. Limited post-treatment follow-up care, quack practitioner in some areas, ethical issues, organ trafficking concerns, brain drain of healthcare talent, dual pricing, foreign versus domestic patients, commercialization of healthcare, infrastructure gaps, poor last mile connectivity in tier 2 cities, shortage of hotel recovery infrastructure, language barriers in rural areas, limited telemedicine follow-up, health risks, antibiotic resistance infections, AMR, deep vein thrombosis on return flights, complications without local continuity, different medical liability laws. Government initiatives and IUC in medical tourism, key government policy and programs. Medical visa, special visa for medical treatment, allows companion MC visa valid up to 1 year, multiple entry. Heal in India program, Ministry of Tourism initiative, national portal, employment hospital, single window facilitation. National health policy 2017 recognized medical tourism as export of services, direct focus on quality infrastructure. NIBS accreditation, National Accreditation Board for Hospitals, quality standards, enhance scalability globally. Medical value table policy, Ministry of Health framework for safe, ethical, regulated medical tourism ecosystem. Make in India healthcare, FDI in hospitals, tax benefits, support for medical devices and pharma export. IUC in medical tourism. IUC stands for A, Ayurveda, ancient Indian medicine system, Y, yoga and naturopathy, holistic health and wellness, U, Unani, Greco-Arabic medicine, S, Siddha, South Indian traditional medicine, homeopathy, based on like, use like. Kerala tourism, God's own country. Okay. Pansakaram, Kalaripattu, Ayurvedic retreats attract over 60,000 medical tourists per year in Kerala. Okay, India ranked 10th globally in medical tourism index 2020-2021. Minister of Tourism gives M visa to medical tourists. Chennai is called India's health capital. 60% of patients from Bangladesh and Afghan. Apollo Hospitals first JCI accredited in India. Kerala first IUC state tourism focus. Nayan Rudalaya, world's deepest heart surgery. NIBS National Accreditation Board for Hospitals. Geographical concepts, spatial clustering of hospitals in metro cities, service sector, geography, healthcare exports, north-south divide in healthcare quality, hub and spoke model in hospital networks, medical tourism corridors, India, Bangladesh, IUC tourism regions, Kerala, Uttarakhand, health special economic zones, and telemedicine, digital health geography. Key terms, medical value travel, MVT, health tourism index, HTI, GCI, Joint Commission International, NIBS, National Accreditation Board, medical value traveler, MVT, wellness tourism versus medical tourism, IUC, Ayurveda, yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy, health in India versus incredible India. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.